all the answers are where the question is asked. Also, we took it a step further and we added a GembaDoc here. So if you scan this, it'll actually bring you up. It'll show you exactly how to build that specific hose. And each one of the rest have the same.
Brilliant.
I'll just grab it here now. So step one, you get the...
Because it's a common question that customers ask me, how do you get people to follow the standards?
Yeah.
Part of the answer is making it easy, that people are aware the standard exists and that it's easy to access.
Yeah.
So
it's the standard is displayed, it's very easy. It's very visual to see it. And then it's to follow it after that.
beautiful.
Yeah.
No, great stuff. That's a really nice system.